Hello students, welcome back to my channel, and this is one of the most awaited video because I have been constantly posting on my Instagram, my WhatsApp, my Facebook handles about this particular video, which is your announcement video, or rather I would say a detailed information or roadmap video for Cambridge Checkpoint Toppers batch. Now before we start with this video, let me first talk about something which is very important. This batch, which is Cambridge Checkpoint Toppers batch, is for Cambridge students, for grade 6, grade 7, grade 8 student, and or year 7, year 8, year 9 students if you are outside India, wherein I will be teaching each and every concept, wherein I have curated, condensed and filtered everything in one single series of lectures. I am going to go topic by topic, or you can say chapter by chapter, plus there will be a lot of assessments that you all will be doing, plus I will be sharing important notes, important worksheets, notes for each and every chapter, worksheets and practice worksheets with the answer key, video solution to the assessment and the answer key. So in case if you are Cambridge Checkpoint student or you are in GCSE also, you can consider joining this coaching. This coaching is made with an intention. The major reason why I am doing this right now is, until now, we all, me and my team of teachers, we have been catering to students live, online, one-to-one across the globe. Over a period of time, since the time I had started my YouTube channel, it's around 3 to 4 months ago, I realized that there are so many students who need right guidance and right coaching. Now technically we have only 24 hours in a day, and working hours you can consider 8 hours. So it is not possible to cater to maximum students around the globe and create toppers. And also one more thing is affordability, especially the students from developing and underdeveloping countries. They want to get good education at an affordable rates. So this particular series is made with an intention that you get the best coaching ever in the world from the best educators at the best price. It also a brief about myself. If you would want to know more about me, don't forget to check my LinkedIn profile, and do not forget to hit that subscribe and like button. I will be sharing more detail about this toppers batch further, and all the IGCSE students, don't be disappointed. I am shortly launching IGCSE toppers batch as well, somewhere around mid of May or June. And one more thing, thank you so much to all of you to register for this course only on single announcement on my Instagram handle and YouTube handle with such a small audience. Right now, currently as of today, I have only 3,000 to 4,000 students on YouTube and on Instagram, and if you count, there are only 10,000 students. But I thank you so much for all the trust that you all have shown on me and my teaching style. I am humbled and I'm really grateful, and I will make sure that I am giving my 200% to produce the toppers from this batch. When I say that, there is something you have to note. I am very particular and very strict about you doing assessments and assignments on time. Secondly, any student who is not following the instructions, of course exceptional cases allowed for medical reasons or any other major issues, if you are just having a laid back attitude, and if you feel that no, I will buy the course and I will see whenever I want to see, please do not register for this course. This course is not meant for just coaching or teaching. It is going to be rigorous. It is going to create world toppers. It is going to create world leaders. So if you are wanting to put in all the efforts and sincerity and the hard work, only then register for this course. Otherwise, better you shut this video and stop watching this video right away. If you feel that you might be able to do it or you will try to do it, then definitely this course is not for you, because I am pretty particular about my assignments and assessments and tasks to be given to be done on time, which is extremely important. That is the reason, before I go ahead with the class and share other details about this course, first pause this video here and ask yourself if you are willing to put in those efforts and hard work that it takes to succeed in your academics. Only then watch this video for next 5 to 10 minutes. Otherwise, it is going to waste your time completely, and it is going to waste my efforts in curating the course and taking you in the batch. So I'm not going to take any students in the batch who have this mindset that I will try. I want you all to say I will and I can do it. Write it down in the comment right now if you feel it, and then I'm going to see you in my batches. Okay, so all the instructions are done. So before we go ahead, all the instructions are done. Now let's go to my iPad screen, wherein I am going to share what we are going to learn and what is the exact roadmap for this particular course. Okay, so as you all can see on my screen, the lectures are starting from 1st of May 2023. And the detailed schedule for the classes, I'm going to post it by Monday on my Instagram handle. So if you have not yet followed me on my Instagram handle, do it right away, because a detailed timetable is going to come up there. Secondly, this batch is made with an intention to produce topper, and I'm pretty serious about it, and I'm not going to tolerate any sort of actions in me creating the toppers. That is my goal, and I will achieve it, whether you being in the batch or being out of the batch. So be mentally prepared for the same, that it is going to be a rigorous course. You have to study hard, you have to be serious about it, and you have to work hard. Now the next thing is, there are many students who have registered for this course. Now coming to the important part, that is what all subjects we are going to cover in this batch. We are going to cover all the 3 subjects for your checkpoints. That is your English, Maths and Science for secondary checkpoint Cambridge. Chapter-wise test will be conducted for each subject. Everything about the test and the schedule, you have to check my Instagram handle on Monday, coming next Monday. I am going to share a detailed plan in an Excel sheet. You will get to know about the time, date and everything else over there. The fees for first 20 student is 3,499 per month. So technically you are paying around 1100 rupees or 1200 rupees per subject, that is in Indian rupees. If you are from a different country, you can please change this currency to your country's currency and check. This is also applicable for first 20 students. So of course my first 20 loyal and students who trust me, this is only kind of a loyalty bonus that I'm trying to give to my students who trust me and the link. And if you don't see this amount, the moment it reaches 20, it will automatically close and the new fees will become 5,999 Indian rupees, which is 5,999 Indian rupees. This is Indian rupees. If you are in a different country, please convert it to your respective country's currency and you can check the fees. You can consider it is around 2,000 rupees for per subject per month. Now the next question that students have asked me is that how many months this course is going to be for. There is a reason why I have broken it down to monthly basis, the fees. Why? Because the moment I see any student who is not adhering to my working criteria, that child will be out of the batch from the following month. So I am going to maintain a track record of students, how they are performing, how well they are doing the assessments, assignments, whether they are attending power classes, which are going to be live doubt clearing classes or not. And based on that, I will decide if I have to continue with that child in the following month or not. That is one of the reasons why I have kept it as monthly basis instead of asking for a package of fees. Secondly, The second reason is I want all of you to know me in that particular month, and if you enjoy the way I am teaching and enjoy the way I am conducting classes and learn a lot, so it should be for you. Otherwise, I don't want that you pay the fees altogether and then you end up not utilizing the services that you're getting. Thirdly, very important thing here is about the course duration. So I will try to cover up the whole thing of English, mathematics and science in 3 to 4 months. So starting from May, June, July, August. So before your first semester or first term, we will be done with the complete portion with the assessments and assignments. Next is about video solution for each assessment. I am going to share a detailed video solution for each and every assessment that I am going to share with you all. I am trying to keep Instagram, my website and YouTube channel as a platform wherein I share the informations with you. So if you have not subscribed to this channel and if you are not following me on my Instagram handle, do it right away. Secondly, notes and solution to each and every chapter will be shared with you all, and also I'll be sharing all the recordings, chapter wise recordings with you all, class recordings, which will help you to revise the concepts. Okay, so this was all about the classes. I hope you are clear with the fees structure. So fees is 3,499 Indian rupees. If you are in a different country, please convert this amount to your respective country's currency and check per month for 3 subjects, that is English, mathematics and sciences. The duration of the course would be around 3 to 4 months. So my target is to finish the courses by August. So every chapter's recording and the lectures and the assessments and the assignments and whatever worksheets, everything will be done by August. So you have a nice data. You have already done the syllabus in the first term only. You have a very good time to revise it. Third very important thing is this fees is applicable, that is 3,499 fees is only for the first 20 registration. If you click on the link and if it shows some other amount which will not be more than 5,999 Indian rupees, in that case 20 registrations have been done and this is the new amount. That particular thing I have kept, that is 3,499 fees I have kept only for the students who take action faster. Of course, the loyalty benefit they should get. Second, then what else I have to cover? I have to talk about the other questions that most of my parents asked on my Instagram handle and on my WhatsApp also. So the questions were, if your child is in IBDP or IB MYP or GCSE or Australian curriculum or APs, I am going to, whether I can join this course or not, so this coaching or not. So what my recommendation is, I am going to anyways release a detailed schedule with chapter and the learning objectives by Monday on my Instagram handle. So do check there and compare it with your child's curriculum. If it matches here and there around 80 to 90%, then you can prefer joining this coaching series. But it is majorly focusing and targeting only Cambridge secondary checkpoint students. If you are in grade 6th, grade 7th or grade 8th of IGCSE from India, or year 7, year 8 or year 9, anywhere else across the globe, this course is definitely for you all. Once you do the payment, please wait for 48 hours because I have a very lean team who handle this and I need some time to revert back. I don't have a very big team, so I have a very small number of experts who take care of all these things. So please wait for 48 hours until you get a reply or a mail on your email IDs. In case if you don't receive any mail, take a screenshot and drop it on my Instagram handle. I am always myself active on Instagram handle. I will surely revert back within 24 hours and your query will be resolved. So if you're doing the payment, make sure to take a screenshot and keep it for yourself as a reference to share with me. Any other queries if you have, do not forget to put it down in the comments below or DM me on my Instagram handle. I will definitely revert back for the same as soon as possible. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow definitely there will be some other series of videos released, but yes, I will share the answers to whatever questions you have asked, to each and every, even if there are 2000 10,000 questions, I am going to answer each and every question. So do not hesitate to put it down, as silly as it can be, that is absolutely fine. Whatever queries you have, put it down in my comment section below or my Instagram handle, and I will get back to you with the answers. Also, the payment link is there in the description below. I am also pinning it in the comments. Go there, you can do the payment and register yourself for this toppers batch. I hope to see you all in my toppers batch. And before you get registered or do the payment, first prepare yourself mentally to work really hard and be sincere about this coaching series.